The highlight of the meeting is that we are facing a new era in the therapy of acute lymphoblastic leukemia. We know better the disease. We know better the genetic pathways by a malignant lymphoid cell is growing, and we have taken profit of our knowledge to design targeted therapies, and together with other approaches such as immunotherapy will change the paradigm of the treatment of ALL. I think that perhaps chemotherapy will be necessary, is really effective, but we need an improvement, and this improvement will come from these exciting new approaches, and the clever combination of these approaches will reach to the top, I hope, the results of the treatment of ALL. I think that we have to stimulate the basic research. If we don't make a good basic research, as the clinicians, we will not improve. All the improvements will come from the basic knowledge of the mechanisms of the leukemogenesis in ALL. That's my message, especially for young people. Don't forget the basic research, not focusing only in clinical research.